today I am back with our journey from last time. Last time we did an awesome journey. That's the bridge. We actually did an awesome journey, and that's on the control board. I don't know what I was doing, but use a signal. Skipped it a little bit. That's going. When I stopped recording, the train actually went past, and the other one is going past. It's actually a freight train. Say a little about it. It's probably rather get on to find a business. Of course we're doing with the fake thing, right? There's no good. You honestly swimming in the world containers? No. The destination here is definitely journeys, but we are gonna be fast because of this literally pending the tutorial here. I don't know why I stopped doing facecam videos from Geometry Dash. Dude, how can I do like facecam videos straight? I wanna anyway, great videos. Who would want to go about facecam videos? Me. Now, this fucking textile or this lightning would be kind of abandoned. Said abandoned rack. What if you find the abandoned train station? I would not even leave that thing alone for once. I'm gonna repose it into a nice, the nicest thing. Hey, what the? What happened to this? Guys, I don't know what the heck happened. Just fucking happened. I think we have to stop at this station. Yep, but we're gonna be stopping at the yellow box. Yeah. I'm gonna be stopping so I can get a review. I'm not making this a 3-minute short of the part 2 of this. Yeah. This long journey has to be had some depth. Hit the brakes, so I want 2 minutes away from that thing. Now we're just going to stay outside and pretend. Wait, where am I? Pretend like you had to go for one kid who just wanted to play and wanted to play at the railway station. And you just go in here, and get a platform into the station, and you see a train there. And your mind instantly goes, what if I just follow the train? So you decide to follow the freaking train until you entirely missed the train, until you found the train again. Just ran away to there, then she stopped at the railway station and told the guy. That's a hero story right there, saving the train's reputation. locomotive has to line up there. Yeah. Welcome, Mr. Co-driver. Need to be kind of respectful of my job. I always get bad co-workers here. Not blaming me. So that was pretty crazy.